Hey there, and welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. I'm so glad you're here. If you're looking to lose weight and make healthier choices, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 foods to avoid if you're serious about shedding those extra pounds and feeling amazing. We'll break down why these foods can be counterproductive to your weight loss goals, and I'll give you some healthier alternatives. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip that'll supercharge your weight loss journey. Alright, let's kick things off with the first culprit on our list. Sugary beverages, sodas, fruit juices, sweetened teas, sports drinks. They all have one thing in common: sugar. These added sugars spike your blood sugar levels, leaving you craving more sugar. Drinking these sugary beverages regularly can lead to weight gain over time. But hey, I get it. Sometimes you just want something flavorful to drink. Water should always be your go-to. It's essential for life and has 0 calories. If you want a little flavor, try adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or fresh herbs like mint. Herbal teas are another fantastic option. Chamomile, peppermint, ginger, they all have their own unique health benefits. And if you're looking for something fizzy, try sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or lime. Plenty of delicious and healthy options to keep you hydrated and satisfied. Let's move on to number 2 on our list: processed snacks. That mid-afternoon slump hits, and you're craving something salty or crunchy. These tempting treats are usually loaded with refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and a hefty dose of salt. Refined carbs have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients, leaving you feeling unsatisfied and craving more. Unhealthy fats, often trans fats, contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of heart disease. Too much salt can lead to water retention, making you feel bloated and sluggish. When those snack cravings hit, reach for a handful of nuts or seeds. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Air-popped popcorn is another great option. It's a whole grain and a good source of fiber. Just skip the butter and excessive salt. A little sprinkle of nutritional yeast can add a cheesy flavor that's totally plant-based. Delicious and healthy alternatives to keep you satisfied. Let's talk about number 3 on our list: refined carbs. Refined carbs like white bread, pastries, white rice, and sugary cereals have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients. Without fiber, these refined carbs cause your blood sugar levels to spike rapidly, leading to that dreaded sugar rush and subsequent crash. These blood sugar spikes and crashes can lead to increased hunger pangs, mood swings, and difficulty concentrating. Over time, they can contribute to insulin resistance, increasing your risk of type 2 diabetes and other health problems. Choose whole grains whenever possible. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread still have their fiber and nutrients intact. They're digested more slowly, providing you with sustained energy and keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Think of it this way: refined carbs are like a flash in the pan, while whole grains are like a slow-burning fire that keeps you going. Make the switch to whole grains for better health and sustained energy. Let's move on to number 4: fried foods. Fried foods are typically submerged in large amounts of oil, often unhealthy oils high in saturated and trans fats. These unhealthy fats can raise your bad cholesterol levels, increasing your risk of heart disease and stroke. They also contribute to weight gain and can lead to inflammation in the body. Baking, grilling, or air frying are all fantastic alternatives that allow you to cook your food without the added fat and calories. Next time you're craving something crispy and delicious, think twice before you deep fry. Your heart and your waistline will thank you. Let's talk about number 5 on our list: sugary cereals. Many breakfast cereals are more like desserts in disguise, often marketed as healthy choices. Take a look at the ingredient list, and you'll likely find that sugar is one of the top ingredients, along with refined grains and artificial flavors. These sugary cereals lack the fiber and protein your body needs to feel full and satisfied. Opt for whole grain cereals that are lower in sugar and higher in fiber. Look for options that have at least 5 grams of fiber and less than 10 grams of sugar per serving. Boost the nutritional value of your breakfast by adding some protein and healthy fats. Think fresh fruit, a dollop of Greek yogurt, a sprinkle of nuts or seeds, or a tablespoon of nut butter. This will keep you feeling full and energized for hours. Let's talk about number 6 on our list: high-calorie coffee drinks. Those fancy coffee drinks with whipped cream, syrups, and flavored creamers can pack as many calories as a full meal. Those syrups are loaded with sugar, and the whipped cream adds a hefty dose of fat and calories. And let's not forget about the flavored creamers, which often contain artificial sweeteners and unhealthy fats. If you're watching your weight, those fancy coffee drinks should be an occasional treat, not an everyday occurrence. When you do indulge, opt for smaller sizes and ask for sugar-free syrups and skim milk or almond milk to reduce the calorie and sugar content. For your everyday coffee fix, stick to simpler options. Black coffee is always a great choice. It's calorie-free and allows you to appreciate the pure, bold flavor of the coffee beans. If you prefer a little sweetness or creaminess, add a splash of unsweetened almond milk or a touch of cinnamon. These natural flavor enhancers won't spike your blood sugar levels or sabotage your weight loss goals. Let's move on to number 7 on our list, alcohol. Alcoholic beverages are calorically dense and provide empty calories, meaning they don't offer any nutritional value. Those calories can add up quickly, especially if you're enjoying multiple drinks. Alcohol can also lower your inhibitions, making you more likely to make unhealthy food choices. When you consume alcohol, your body prioritizes metabolizing the alcohol over burning fat. Moderation is key. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation and be mindful of your choices. Opt for lower-calorie options like light beer, dry wine, or spirits mixed with soda water or diet tonic. Alternate alcoholic drinks with water or non-caloric beverages to stay hydrated and pace yourself. Remember, it's all about finding a balance that works for you and your goals. Enjoy responsibly and stay on track with your weight loss journey. Let's talk about number 8 on our list, candy and sweets. Candy is essentially pure sugar, providing a quick burst of energy followed by a crash, leaving you feeling tired and craving more sugar. Candy and sweets are often loaded with unhealthy fats, artificial flavors, and colors. The key is to find healthier ways to satisfy those cravings. Fruit is nature's candy. It's naturally sweet, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. If you're craving something chocolatey, opt for dark chocolate with a high cacao content, 70% or higher. Dark chocolate is lower in sugar and contains antioxidants that can benefit your health. Try making your own healthy desserts at home using natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. Satisfy your sweet tooth without sabotaging your weight loss goals. Let's talk about number 9 on our list, fast food meals. Fast food is often high in calories, unhealthy fats, sodium, and refined carbohydrates, all of which can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Portion sizes are often oversized, and many fast food meals lack fresh fruits, vegetables, and other essential nutrients. A typical fast food meal might consist of a burger, fries, and a soda, easily packing over 1,000 calories. Planning ahead is key. If you know you're going to be short on time, pack a healthy lunch or dinner to bring with you. Sandwiches, salads, or leftovers from last night's dinner are all great options. If you do find yourself at a fast food restaurant, be mindful of your choices. Opt for grilled or baked options over fried foods. Choose smaller portion sizes or share a meal with a friend. Skip the sugary drinks and opt for water, unsweetened tea, or a diet soda. And finally, let's talk about number 10 on our list, packaged diet foods. Many packaged diet foods are highly processed and contain artificial sweeteners, preservatives, and other additives that can disrupt your metabolism. They often lack the nutrients and fiber your body needs to feel full and satisfied. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. These foods are naturally lower in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, and they're packed with nutrients and fiber. Read food labels carefully and be skeptical of marketing claims. Choose foods with ingredients you can recognize and pronounce, and stick to the perimeter of the grocery store. And there you have it. Avoiding these 10 foods can help you stay on track with your weight loss journey. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about making smarter choices. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of the tips we discussed today, and gradually work your way up. Focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods, and listen to your hunger cues. Oh, and here's that bonus tip I promised: always check food labels. Knowing what's in your food can make a world of difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.